Hey there, financial freedom seekers. Welcome back to my channel, the channel where we challenge conventional wisdom and help you break free from the myths that hold you back from achieving true wealth. I'm your host Eden, and today we're diving deep into the world of financial myths, debunking misconceptions, and uncovering the path to financial independence that's often hidden in plain sight. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an episode that could change the way you think about money. Let's get unplugged and start this journey to financial freedom. Myth 1. You need a high income to build wealth. The myth that only individuals with high incomes can amass wealth is a common misconception. In reality, building wealth hinges more on prudent financial management than on the size of one's paycheck. Irrespective of income, the key lies in wise financial choices, effective budgeting, and consistent saving and investing. People with modest earnings can accumulate wealth by creating a sustainable financial plan that aligns with their income. It involves setting clear financial goals, living within means, and directing a portion of income towards savings and investments. Over time, the power of compounding can work in favor of those who diligently save and invest, irrespective of income level. This underscores the notion that building wealth is an attainable goal for anyone who commits to making informed financial decisions, regardless of their initial financial circumstances. Myth 2. Investing is only for the wealthy. The misconception that substantial wealth is a prerequisite for investing has been debunked in today's financial landscape. Thanks to the emergence of low-cost investment platforms and the availability of fractional shares, virtually anyone can embark on their investment journey, regardless of the size of their initial capital. These innovative platforms allow individuals to purchase fractions of expensive stocks, enabling them to diversify their portfolios with even a modest sum. This means that even those with limited financial resources can participate in the stock market and other investment avenues, gradually building their wealth over time. Consequently, the barrier to entry for investing has significantly lowered, empowering individuals to take charge of their financial futures and work toward their long-term financial goals, irrespective of their current financial situation. Myth 3. Debt is always bad. Not all debt is harmful. High-interest consumer debt can be detrimental, but low-interest debt, like mortgages or business loans, can be strategic tools for wealth building. Responsible use of low-interest debt to acquire assets or invest in income-generating opportunities can help increase wealth. The key is distinguishing between good and bad debt and managing it wisely. Myth 4. You have to be an expert to invest. Investing isn't exclusively for financial experts. Simple and effective strategies, like investing in index funds, don't demand extensive expertise. With some fundamental knowledge, anyone can make wise investment choices. Index funds, for instance, replicate the performance of market indices, such as the S&P 500, offering instant diversification and reducing the need for intricate stock-picking skills. Moreover, they typically come with lower fees compared to actively managed funds. This accessibility to straightforward investment vehicles demonstrates that individuals can participate in wealth building and achieve financial success without needing advanced financial knowledge, leveling the playing field for all. Myth 5. You must sacrifice everything to build wealth. The misconception that attaining financial success necessitates sacrificing all life's pleasures is far from accurate. Striking a balance between responsible financial management and enjoying life's experiences is essential. While saving and investing wisely are critical components of building wealth, they should not come at the expense of a fulfilling life. By making informed financial choices and setting clear priorities, individuals can allocate resources to both savings and life-enriching experiences. This balanced approach allows for the enjoyment of vacations, hobbies, and personal milestones, while also securing one's financial future. Responsible financial planning enables individuals to create a solid financial foundation that can support their aspirations and provide peace of mind, proving that it's possible to enjoy life's pleasures while simultaneously working toward long-term financial goals. Myth 6. Financial success happens overnight. The myth of quick wealth overlooks reality. Building wealth is a slow, steady journey. It demands unwavering dedication, patience, and time. While shortcuts may promise rapid gains, lasting prosperity is rooted in consistent saving, prudent investing, and time's compounding effect. Rushing risks financial setbacks. By embracing wealth's gradual nature, individuals can forge a resilient financial foundation, ensuring long-term security and peace of mind. Myth 7. You can't build wealth in a down economy. The myth that economic downturns make wealth building impossible is a common misconception. In reality, challenging economic times can offer unique opportunities for astute investors. During recessions and market downturns, asset prices often drop significantly, making it an opportune moment to purchase investments at a discounted rate. Savvy investors who maintain a long-term perspective can capitalize on these lower prices and acquire assets that may appreciate in value as the economy recovers. Moreover, economic downturns can motivate individuals to reassess their financial strategies, become more financially disciplined, and seek out alternative income streams or investment options. Thus, rather than hindering wealth building, economic crises can provide a fertile ground for those who are well-prepared and agile in their financial decision-making to find value and ultimately grow their wealth. Myth 8. You need a financial advisor for everything. While some may feel the need for a financial advisor to oversee every aspect of their financial life, it's important to recognize that not all financial decisions require professional guidance. While financial advisors can offer valuable expertise and insights, individuals can successfully manage many facets of their finances independently with the right knowledge and resources. For routine financial tasks such as budgeting, basic investment strategies like setting up retirement accounts or purchasing low-cost index funds, and debt management, individuals can leverage readily available information and online tools to make informed decisions. By educating themselves about personal finance principles and staying engaged in their financial matters, individuals can gain confidence in managing their money effectively. Financial advisors can still play a crucial role in complex financial planning or when specific expertise is required, but recognizing the scope of self-management can save both time and money while empowering individuals to take control of their financial future. Myth 9. Wealthy people are always happy. The misconception that constant happiness is synonymous with wealth is a flawed assumption. In reality, genuine happiness is a multifaceted and complex emotion that extends beyond financial well-being. While wealth can contribute to a certain level of comfort and security, it does not guarantee lasting happiness. True happiness is often derived from nurturing meaningful relationships with loved ones, pursuing personal fulfillment through passions and purpose-driven endeavors, and accumulating memorable experiences that enrich one's life. These aspects of happiness are not tied to monetary wealth and are more sustainable sources of contentment. Moreover, the relentless pursuit of wealth at the expense of other aspects of life can lead to stress and unhappiness. Therefore, understanding that financial wealth is just one component of a fulfilling life allows individuals to prioritize and cultivate those non-material sources of happiness that contribute significantly to their overall well-being. Myth 10. I'm too old or too young to start building wealth. The misconception that age dictates one's capacity to accumulate wealth is unfounded. In truth, there is no age limit for initiating the journey towards financial stability and wealth. Whether you're young or old, the key is to commence as early as possible. But it's never too late to begin. By adopting prudent financial habits, saving, investing wisely, and consistently pursuing opportunities for growth, individuals can enhance their financial prospects regardless of their age. Time may offer advantages, but determination and strategic planning can help anyone, at any stage of life, embark on the path to financial security and prosperity. That's a wrap for today's episode of Finance Unplugged. If you found this myth-busting journey as enlightening as we did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your network, and comment below with your thoughts. Stay tuned for more insightful content that will empower you on your path to financial freedom. Remember, it's time to break free from those wealth myths and start building the life you desire. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay financially savvy.